formal na maluklok sa pwesto, si US President-elect Donald Trump, tinatrabaho na raw ng pamahalaan ng Pilipinas ang lagay ng mga kapatid nating illegal immigrants sa Amerika. Pero aminado ang ating embahada, maaaring wala silang magawa sa issue. Para bigyan ng mukhang balita, Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza.
Kumpiyansa si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na magpapatuloy ang magandang ugnayan ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos sa ilalim ng administrasyon ng magbabalik na presidenteng si Donald Trump. Kasunod yan ang pakikipag-usap ng Pangulo sa telepono kay Trump.
I expressed to him our continuing desire to strengthen that relationship between our two countries, which is a relationship that is as deep as can possibly be. Because it has been for a very long time.
Nabanggit din ni PBBM ang planong pakikipagkita sa US President. Hindi raw ito ang unang beses na maghaharap ang dalawang lider. Sabi ni Philippine Ambassador to the United States, Babe Romualdez, minsan na silang nagkita noon sa New York.
Well, I think it would be a very good relationship. As the President said, he actually met President Trump even before when he was a young man in New York when he went to one of those events with his mother. So there's that personal relationship which President Trump is aware of. He is known to like to have personal relationships with heads of state, and I think that that relationship with the President would be a very good one.
Hindi naman natalakay ni Marcos at Trump ang usapin ng posibleng pagpapadeport sa mga immigrant sa Estados Unidos. Naglalaro sa 300,000 hanggang 370,000 ang undocumented Filipinos doon. Sabi ng embahada, magpupulong na sila ng mga consul general para pag-usapan ng hakbang kaugnay dito.
And we're going to have precisely one of the main topics of our conversation or our meeting will be, of course, on how we can assist our Filipinos who are living here in the United States on a not legal basis, but an opportunity to be able to be legal. And if there is that opportunity, obviously they'll be able to have a path to stay here. So that's the first step that we're going to be doing.
Kinausap na rin ng Ambassador ang Department of Foreign Affairs para tumulong sa mga Pinoy sa Estados Unidos. Nakikipag-ugnayan din daw sila sa mga PhilAm lawyers doon para pag-aralan ng eksaktong magiging laman ng immigration policy. Sa mga Pinoy naman na may nakabinbing visa application sa US, ito ang payo ng embahada.
I always tell our friends, everybody, just do everything right. Really, I mean, there is no other way. Just apply, give them the right information, and always say the truth. Because one way or the other, the minute there is something wrong with your application, then there's already a mark in your name.
Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.